why I'm like, no, I'm good.
I'm like, no, I'm never going with you.
Michigan, Manchester, Michigan, and this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I didn't realize how pretty Michigan is, but it's so much farm country and lots of land.
You could say this part of Michigan.
Yeah, the only thing bad about Michigan that I see is all the crop dusting where they throw the insecticide into the air, and that definitely could really hurt you if you live next to a field, like a cornfield, because it's not good to ever breathe in insecticide. We learned that in Zellwood, Florida, because the orange groves gave people cancer and people died young.
So,
I mean, people were dying in Popka and Zellwood from the orange grove spraying with insecticide when they were like in their 40s, early 40s and stuff. Breast cancer was real big. It was terrible. So you have to be really careful living next to any kind of commercial farm.
yeah.
It's the only danger.
And
And I hate to be an alarmist, but I thought of that when they were talking about how cool it is to see them spraying insecticide next door. I was like, yeah, but breathing that in and getting it in the water and all that is really dangerous. But it's beautiful. This is what Michigan looks like. It's just rolling green hills. It's gorgeous. All around us. And farms and silos and big red barns everywhere. It's beautiful. Isn't it pretty outside? It's all green. It's hilly actually in Michigan, and lush because they get a lot of rain. You can see the sky is even dark today, and we're heading to Bowling Green, Ohio, and it's gonna rain. This is Selfie Girl live on location in Manchester, Michigan. There's
I just don't
another
feel
barn.
like dogs should. I